Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, January 17th, Martin Luther King holiday here in the United States. Let's take a look at the Astro Excel chart for the week ahead. Looking at the back end of last week here, we got the anticipated down move later in the week. We had expected it earlier. Instead, we had an inversion on the Astro Excel and we didn't start the breakdown until around Wednesday. So then we started to track the pattern later in the week. As you can see, we bottomed out here on the 14th. Market bottom, did a little double bottom, and then we started to trade up. You can see the green line peak here last night, and then we're starting to track down. We're going to make our bottom on the 18th at about 5 a.m. roughly. Then we go sideways, chopping until about 1800 that night, and then we start to move upward into the 19th, and we peak there at about 1 in the afternoon with a blue spike high at 1250, and then we start to push down again into Thursday. We make that low about 9 in the morning there, and then we are sideways, and then we have a gentle push up Friday. But most of this activity this week is below the zero line, so it should be some more leaning more toward negative pressure than positive pressure. Important peaks on the blue and green line. The big spike down here tonight in the quiet time, and then the next important spike would be on the 18th at around 5 o'clock. Again, that time to trade. Then at 2024, and then on the 19th, we've got another downward spike at 1 a.m. On the 19th, we have peaks at 4:57 a.m., 12:50 in the afternoon, 15:48, again, that trading time. And then as we get into the 20th, 1:54 a.m., 9:13 a.m., then a peak at 14:21. And then as we push into Friday, we have this peak at 5:07, and then this big peak at the low of 12:43 in the afternoon. So those are important timing points to pay attention to. So if you're watching that, you might want to mark those down and use that as a guideline or mix them with your other indicators. So that's it for today. We'll be back again tomorrow and we'll see what we got going on the ES.